Hey everyone, good afternoon. This is Solid Create here. Today we're going to go over a basic static force load on the Model Challenge 2020 part here, or Model Mania. I forgot what it was called. It was on YouTube. So I followed along with the part design, and when it got to the reason why I'm making this video is because when it got to the simulation part, although the guy he wasn't teaching anything, so he was just showing, so it was no fault to him. He was going really fast, and he's obviously a professional and knows a lot about what he's doing. So to him, it's like, breathing. But for someone like me or you who's new to this, I mean, I had to watch it several times, and his version seemed a little different than mine. Like he had more, like when I went to features, he had more stuff over here where you can delete faces, and I don't know how to get that there. I'm still looking around. I'm a CATIA user. I have more hours in CATIA than I do in SolidWorks, and I used it professionally when I worked at Boeing. But once you know one CAD program, I mean, you can figure out what all these are and how to do it. And SolidWorks does a good job by giving you tool tips and all that. And so does CATIA. Fusion 360, if you're new to CAD, I would say I would go for that one. It's easier to learn. CATIA, you gotta be like an Android to use that program. So anyway, getting on with it. So you want to do is you want to click on simulation, click on new study, and we're just going to leave it like that. You can name it if you want to. We're just going to do this for simplicity's sake. So with this one, there's one thing I have to do is I have to exclude this surface from the analysis or it won't work. I don't know why, but the person who made the video on this model to show how they did it, the actual Dassault Systems people, they excluded that. He did explain why though. So the first thing that we want to do is identify our fixed geometry, where this part is bolted down. So this looks like maybe like the bottom of like a barber shop chair somewhere, like a bracket that gets bolted to the ground. And then on top of here, they got the pump that you step on your foot. I don't think it is, but just giving you an example of what this might be. It's like a floor mount for something, or like a permanent engine stand. So you want to identify that. So you want to go to fixtures, and your version may look different than mine. You may have an older version. His looked different than mine here for sure, so it took me a minute. So you want to identify this first. Go to fixed geometry. Okay, and you want to click on these faces right here, just those, because that's where the washer and the nut are going to be applying them. Like the torque of that is going to be, the shaft doesn't hold anything to the ground. The shaft only prevents rotation or transition or translation, however you want to say it. Left and right, back and forth. These prevent up and down. If you're a GD&T guy, you'll understand what I'm talking about. I'm by no means a professional. I only took it was a 32-hour training course. My brain still melted from all that stuff, but GD&T is a good skill to have and a good thing to learn because it keeps your drawings very clean. So here it shows a preview of what you're trying to do. So you can also click immovable if you want to, or roller slider, fixed hinge. I have not done these and I don't understand them yet, but once I do, I'll make a video about it for people like us who are new. Click OK. Then external loads, and we're going to click a force, and we're going to click on this central part here. Let's just say it's getting pulled up. Like there's a shaft in here with a disc underneath it that slides up and down and pulls on it. And we're going to go selected direction, so you can choose an edge or maybe a plane you have out there, and then we're going to give it some torque here to, we'll just say 2,000 nanometers, because that's what they used in their video. So click OK, and then the only thing you got to do is click run this study. Just a couple little seconds here and it gets done. So there you go. This part actually looks really good. There's some deformation up here, obviously from being pulled up. not a lot of red, so it's a good part. You can look at the factor of safety, so you right click on results to find factor of safety, and you click on that guy. So this has a factor of safety of 3.1, which from what I read is really good. But there you have it, guys. Just a quick and dirty way to do just a force load on a part if you're really new at doing simulation like I am. I like to say shout out to Jawed Iqbal. I think I probably butchered your name. I'm not Indian, so thank you, sir, for helping in all your teachings. I wouldn't have been able to attempted to do this part without the tutorials you put out, sir. I think his channel is called CAD/CAM Tutorials, so you guys can check him out. Really, really good teacher. He goes slow. He doesn't talk fast like I do, and he just gets it done. And I'm looking forward to more of his videos. So I will leave you with that, and I hope you guys enjoy. You can try this with your parts that you have. And all right, see you guys later. And I apologize for this, because if I press F9, all this stuff goes away. And look right here, and I can't change that either. All right, peace.